remained in the vacancy notification series. So the CCRS has given one more post called as the pharmacist grade 1. So this pharmacist is actually applicable for whom and what is the salary structure? This is the thing we are going to say in this video. So the examination is going to be conducted by CCRS and it will be directly under the Ministry of Ayush. The critical dates are July 15th is the initial date of application and the ending date is August 14th. So fill it before that. Total number of posts are 25. This is the advantage here. Total 25 are there, among which 17 are exclusively for unreserved, means anybody can claim the seat from there. OBC specifically 7, SC specifically 1. And posting location is also very clear. Which place, how many seats or how many posts are there, that too based on the category. Everything is crystal clear. You can take the screenshot of this. You can definitely get to know exactly where the posting could be done. Based on your category also, you can see how the postings will be done. So based on this also, you may take your decision. The locations are everywhere across India. This is specifically for the peripheral centers of CCRS as well as the headquarters of CCRS in New Delhi. Now the maximum age limit here is 27 years, not more than that. So that is in relation to age. Now the eligibility criteria, only essential is mentioned, nothing about desirable. Essentially, the candidate should have diploma in pharmacy or else D-Pharma in Ayurveda from a recognized institution, followed by 2 years of experience. So experience is compulsory here if you have only diploma or D-Pharma. Whereas if you have B-Pharma in Ayurveda, then you don't require any of the experience. Directly after B-Pharma also you can apply. So this is one of the essential qualification. Now there will not be any interview for this recruitment. There will be only written test. Written test will comprise of 100 marks and the time duration for the same will be 90 minutes. Both English and Hindi type questions will be available. Negative marking, each negative answer carries minus 0.25 marks, which means every wrong answer will make you to lose quarter marks. Now application fee is exempted for most of the categories and especially the female candidates, whereas the male general and OBC candidates are supposed to pay 200 rupees. 200, it's just 200. Now the cities of examination across all places like major states, you can see the examination centers will be there and it is there. Computer based test, so it will be specifically sent to certain centers. Now the pay scale, here it is 7th pay commission is level 5. So level 5 starts with a certain amount and it will be added up with grade pay, DRS allowance, HRA, house rental allowance and traveling allowance. If you see the level 5 of CPC, it starts with 29,200, that is the basic. Whereas grade pay is 2,800 and DRS allowance at present based on 38% calculation is around 11,000. Where HRA, if it is a Delhi, then 27% of HRA, around 8,000. If it is other places, then it is around 18%. So you can say around 6,000. So TA, if it is Delhi, then you will get 7,200 plus DA. If it is other place, then 3,200 plus DA, 600 plus DA. So this is for other place. You can see this is for other place, not Delhi, 4968. Now, based on this calculation, if you apply this formula, so the basic pay, grade pay, DA, HRA, TA, you are going to get the total salary without deduction around 55,000. This is for a post of pharmacist in the initial day. The first day, or you can say the first month salary will be this, or based on experience increments will be there and there will be promotions and other salary hikes will be available. So this is in relation to the vacancy notification for pharmacist. For such kind of videos, kindly watch our channel. Until next time, thank you.